Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Halloween inspired cake. My plan is to put a marshmallow web around the cake using some marshmallows, and the rest I'm just going to wing it. I don't know what else I'll put on the cake, but just whatever I'm feeling at the time. So if it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe, and if you are subscribed, make sure you share this video and like this video as well. All right, let's get into it. I am making a 3-layer cake, and I have some frozen cake layers that I will be using to decorate. These are not thawed, and I am working straight out of the freezer. First, I'm going to level my cake. I kind of overfilled my pans because I didn't weigh out my batter like I usually do, and so my cakes rose a little high. But that's okay, I'm just cutting off the top. Next, I am trimming off all the caramelization. Guys, that is a hard word, seriously, but I made it through. Anyway, when I ice my cakes, this could potentially protrude through the icing, so I'm just cutting it off with a serrated knife. Next, I'm going to stack and crumb coat my cake with vanilla buttercream. Vanilla buttercream will be right in the middle. Nothing fancy this time because this cake is for my kids and they are happy with plain sweet vanilla American buttercream. Once this is all crumb coated, I will pop it in the refrigerator. I'm using the Sugar Art Master Elite Violet color to color my buttercream, and this is my first time using the black because I usually use Americolor Gel Super Black, but I wanted to see how this Sugar Art Black would color my icing. So a little bit about these colors. I love the Master Elite powder colors because they turn out so pretty and vibrant. I love to use them for my cakes. My cookies, I prefer gel because I feel like when I use the powder colors with royal icing, it kind of turns your mouth the color of the icing. Also, they can be a little messy when working with them, and that's with any powdered color. But I do love the end result because the colors are so pretty. And they will develop and get darker as time goes, so be careful as how much powder you use. Just try and get your icing color as close to what you want it to become. I think this color is close to what I envision my cake being, and like I said, it will develop further and get darker. So I feel like I have a love-hate relationship with cake discs. I feel like I am able to ice my cake and have it nice and straight and filled in super fast, but I just don't like removing the disc. Although it's not bad, I always think, what if something happens and my cake falls apart while trying to remove these discs? I don't know. I'm still getting used to using them, but when you do remove your disc, make sure your cake is nice and hard and you shouldn't have a problem. If you want to see me remove the cake disc, then go ahead on and check out my Spider-Man cake that I made. I removed them in that video. And as you can see, that icing is darker. Now let's check out the Master Elite Black. It didn't darken like I hope it would, and so I'm going to add some Americolor Super Black. I'm sure if I added more powder, it would have gotten darker, but I just didn't want to put too much. And this is the end result with the Americolor Super Black added. Now let's add our final touches, fill in some holes with our buttercream. Okay, the fun part. I melted some marshmallows for about a minute and it's time to add the web. The web needed some spiders or bugs on it, so I'm just using my black icing that I made to add some insects all around the cake. On top, I'm just using a cute piping design. I'm going to go over this twice to give it some height. So to say I didn't have a clear plan for this cake, I think is really giving Halloween vibes. If you enjoyed watching this video, of course hit that subscribe button, hit the like and share. It's free to do and I appreciate it so much. If you want to see more Halloween cake ideas, check out this 1-layer pumpkin cake I made.